20 optical zoom lens, and it's applicable to various real-time video transmission fields, such as high-quality surveillance. AP-HDBC300 high-resolution Full HD camera supports HD-SDI digital output interface for an external HD video codec. It can transmit Full HD video signal through HD-SDI video output interface. Captured images in AP-HDBC300 will be transmitted to our HD video codec, where it sends the signal to the AP-HDBC 104 storage. AddPac surveillance camera has been fully recognized in terms of its stability, performance, and affordable price. With 12 years of experience in camera industry, we know what the customers are looking for and know how to satisfy their needs. For more information on our camera, please visit our website. Thanks for watching today.